Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Cybersecurity Hub. Today's video is going to be interesting for future cloud security professionals because we are going to discuss in this video all the information related to one of the renowned cloud security certificate exists in the market. That is CCSK, Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge. The Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge is the benchmark for cloud security expertise, providing a comprehensive and unbiased understanding of how to effectively secure data in the cloud. The CCSK enables everyone from information security professional to CEOs and provide the ability to utilize cloud services securely and speak with confidence about cloud security concerns. If you earn your CCSK version 5 credit, it is a mark of a modern cybersecurity professional. So stay tuned and follow the introductory video. You might have the question, why CCSK and why do I need to do it now? Cloud computing is now the dominant information technology system, and cloud security is the foundation of modern cybersecurity programs. The CCSK version 5 provides a detailed understanding of modern cloud components and state-of-the-art security best practices. The skill gaps are widening with rapidly evolving cybersecurity threats and emerging technologies. The CCSK version 5 delivers the knowledge and tools for individuals and organizations to keep up. Rapid availability of AI tools and the continuing shift of computer technology towards an open but untrusted infrastructure makes fundamental cloud security knowledge critical for organizations and individuals. You might have a question like, who should earn this CCSK certificate? It will be essential for the IT professionals, developers, IT operations engineers, audit and compliance managers. The CCSK is designed for any IT professional working in the cloud computing. It is an essential credential for all security professionals to show proof of skills to current and future employers because CCSK is designed to deliver a well-rounded view of cloud security. Professionals with less experience or non-security backgrounds also find significant value in the training and certificate, particularly developers, IT operations guys, and audit compliance professionals. Next, let's dive in what is new in CCSK version 5. This discuss about latest in cloud architecture, cloud native security, workload, virtual networking, data protection, DevSecOps, zero trust, generative AI and more. Second, vital information it provides about managing risks, achieving compliance and understanding the shared responsibility between cloud provider and the cloud user. There is enhancement in organization management content, including governance. And finally, permanent access to CCSK ORB, CSS revolutionary CCSK chatbot designed to help you master the body of knowledge. How this certificate can provide benefits for you? It will help you in career advancement. It is a globally recognized standard. The certificate opens doors to the new job opportunities and higher roles, enhancing career trajectory. Future ready skills. With coverage on AI, Gen AI, zero trust and additional rapidly emerging technologies, the CCSK equips you to tackle both present and upcoming security threats. Digital badge. Boost your professional visibility by displaying the CCSK digital badge and certificate on your digital profiles and resumes to demonstrate your verified skills. Industry leadership. Connect with CCSK instructors and students on Circle, that is CS's online community forum, to gain insights, share experiences and knowledge, and learn from industry leaders who helped create a certificate. The CCSK curriculum covers 12 core areas of cloud security knowledge. In this next section, we are going to dive into very brief about each domain and what kind of learning objective we can have for the relevant domains. Domain 1: Cloud Security Computing Concepts and Architectures. We begin with the fundamentals, defining cloud computing, its essential characteristics and service models. You will learn about public, private, hybrid, and community cloud deployments and understand cloud security responsibilities. Domain 2: Cloud Governance and Strategies. This domain covers governance structures, policy frameworks, and strategic planning for cloud adoption. Learn how organizations align cloud use with business and compliance goals. Domain 3: Risk, Audit, and Compliance. You will explore cloud-specific risk management, auditing, processes, and tools for governance, risk, and compliance, also known as GRC. Domain 4: Organization Management. Understand how cloud responsibilities are structured within an organization and how hybrid and multi-cloud environments affect management and operations. Domain 5: Identity and Access Management. In this section, you will explore the core principles of IAM in the cloud, including federation, authentication, authorization. This domain is crucial for managing who has access to what. Domain 6: Security Monitoring. Dive into the security monitoring in cloud environments, including posture management, telemetry collection, and the role of AI in threat detection. Domain 7: Infrastructure and Networking. In this section, learn how cloud infrastructure and networking differs from traditional setups. Topics include secure architectures, infrastructure as code, and zero trust principles. Domain 8: Cloud Workload Security. This domain covers security for all types of workloads, from virtual machines and containers to serverless functions and AI-based workloads. Domain 9: Data Security. Master tools and techniques for securing cloud data, including encryption, storage security, and Data Security Posture Management or DSPM. Domain 10: Application Security. Focuses on secure application development in the cloud. Understand secure SDLC, API security, and threat modeling. Domain 11: Incident Response and Resilience. In this chapter, you will learn how to respond to a security incident, its related preparations, detections, containment of the threat, and post-incident analysis. Domain 12: Related Technologies and Strategies. In this section, you will learn about zero trust and cloud security, then what is the influence of artificial intelligence into cloud security. And that's a wrap. This was your quick guide to 12 CCSK domains. If you are planning to take the CCSK exam, this series will walk you through each domain in depth. Subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you. Have a good one.